I hope you are fine and doing well. So here is the updated version of Beach Hotel Microgrid design. Here you can see that here is all the four zone in this subsystem. So let me zoom in. So here you can see that zone 1, zone 2, zone 3 and zone 4. So basically the requirement of assignment is to develop a microgrid design for four hotel zone in beach of Myanmar. So I design it already, and I also implement the battery management system using fuzzy logic, and the battery management system is for diesel generator and battery management of whole the model. And the main thing I implement it here is the month of every year, every month of a year. So let if we want to simulate the data of January, then just we have to enter the name of that month, like January, February, March, and till December. Okay, so here is the January selected. So let run the model and see what the result is. So it is in a running mode, you can see that. And by the way, this assignment is completely sold, and anyone need it, he or she can contact me through my WhatsApp or my email, which is mentioned in the description of this video, and is I will also mention it in first comment. So you can approach to me, and we will negotiate it. The model is completely sold, and one thing I want to mention more that I also implement the economical analysis, like energy per unit rates and energy per unit consumption, etc. Like NPV calculator like. So it is compiled and now it is running. So let's see the result after and the run is complete. So we have to wait for some seconds more to see the expected results. You can also uh, make the like make this model comprehensive, like for all the months. I I separate each month, like just you have to select January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and you will get the results there. Okay. It is taking too long because you know the circuit is complex. So let's wait some more minutes. Yeah, it is on running. You can see that it run. It the running is complete. So let's see the results. Like here is the results of all the load, like all the load of classes of each zone. Like zone 1 has two classes, zone 2 has three classes, zone 3 has three classes, and zone 4 has four classes. Here you can see that here is a wind speed of January, and PV profile for January, and similarly for the classes of each zone. Load data is here, and you can see the combined load data from this graph. It is a combined load data of one graph of each zone, and furthermore you can see the results from this zone 1 graph, like this one. So similarly it's all done for zone 1, zone 2, zone 3 and 4. Here is the total load for zone 1, and here is the distributed source for diesel generator, storage and PV power. So I hope this video liked by you and you will approach me, I will appreciate your concern. So here is a PV wind grid load and diesel generator, graphs battery SOC of zone 1 and microgrid voltage for zone 1. Similarly for zone 2, zone 3, zone 4. And in the last, the fuzzy logic controller is installed, and here is the distributed source using fuzzy logic, like it is showing the uh, ratings of 35 23 watts. So let's see the distributed source graph. You can see the distributed source load graph is here. The fuzzy logic is implemented here, and in this subsystem there is the multifunction model. So thank you very much for your concern. I hope you will approach to me, and I will be happy to help for you guys. Thank you very much.